So now that you've got your home starting to look great with the flylady system, now it's time to make it smell great too. Here are some practical tips to make your home smell amazing. Let's jump right in. And the first one is to wash your cushions if you can. If you have a couch, especially if you have children, you know how questionable things can get. There's a lot of mysterious spots and stains on it. But if your couch cushions are removable, be sure to get them off every once in a while and give them a good wash. Do it as often or as little as you need to, depending whether you have pets or not, children or not. It's completely up to you. Or even if we just eat in front of the TV, sometimes we need to wash those cushions in order to get the smell out. Sure, you can do a spot treatment here and there, but once those smells seep in, it's time to give it a wash. In the event that your couch cushions are not washable, you can spray something on it, which brings me to my next tip. If you feel comfortable, spray some touch activated fragrances onto your couch and your surfaces. That way, when somebody touches or sits on the couch, moves a curtain or any other kind of fabric in your home, they get a nice beautiful smell. You can even spray this on your carpet if you have any, as well as your stairs. Only do this if you feel comfortable though, because they do have chemicals. Now for more natural alternative, you can also take essential oil mixed with some water and spray it on your surfaces. Though it may not be touch activated, it will provide a nice long lasting fragrance that is much more natural for you and your family. And speaking of essential oils, be sure to diffuse some oils into your home in order to give it a beautiful scent all throughout. You can use essential oils in multiple places, including your toilet paper rolls, your garbage can liners, whatever you wish. If you don't have an essential oil diffuser, don't despair. You can also carefully take some apples and cinnamons and put it on the stove. There's a lot of different mixtures that you can do. If you have vanilla, some rosemary, lavender, whatever is safe to boil it and cause the smell to linger all over your home. However, if you're using this method, please be very careful and do not leave the pot unattended. Okay, and for the next one, if the budget allows, use flowers throughout your home. Flowers bring such a lovely and fragrant smell through any place. They light up the room too in a visual manner as well. So if you can afford to get some flowers, do so. If you can find near you wholesale flowers distributor, these can be very, very affordable. So just saying, don't count it out just yet. See what resources you have available to you. If you have a backyard or something, you might even be able to plant some flowers that you can later pick and have fresh inside your home. And you don't even have to have a garden. You can even grow flowers inside a pot. If you choose to use the seeds, it will be more affordable. It'll take longer to grow. But once they are there, especially if you get the perennials, they will keep regenerating every single time, and you will always have fresh flowers. So don't go out of your budget to get flowers, but if it is in the budget, make sure that you incorporate them into your home. If you're getting value out of this video so far, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below, what's your favorite flower? Mine is lily. I just love the stargazer lily. They are so beautiful and they smell so sweet. What's your favorite flower? Let me know in the comments down below. You're also going to want to use garbage bags that smell lovely. If you have the option available to you, the Walmart has a great value brand that comes in different fragrances that you can use as well. Not only will it help keep the bugs away depending on which one you use, it will also make your home smell lovely. In addition to this, if you use dryer sheets in your home, you can also take the dryer sheets and put them inside the garbage can. Now, I do use the wool balls and I put essential oils when I put them in the dryer. This might also work in the garbage can. I haven't tried it yet. This should work because it works really good on my clothes. Let me know if you try it, how it works. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm very interested to know in case I can get my garbage smelling doubly good. Doubly? Is that a word? Twice as good. Okay, for the next one, It's also going to get you a lot of bang for your buck, only if you feel comfortable though. If you feel comfortable, use plugins. This is a total game changer. It depends which one you use, of course. I've tried plenty, but for me, the best smelling ones is the Febreze plugin. They smell so good. I use the Gain ones, and oh my goodness, the whole house is smelling so delicious. Like if you just put a fresh load of laundry, which is super good because I don't really use chemicals like that in my laundry. So this kind of makes up for it, right? In a way. I don't know. Another good one is Glade. Glade is super good too. It smells very nice, but more like subtle and not so loud. So if you're sensitive to fragrances, or if you have like a teenage boy, if you don't want his room to smell so much like a teenage boy, if you feel comfortable with the chemicals, use the Glade ones because those have a light, subtle smell versus the Febreze one, which is like right in your face. Okay, and another one is to use miscellaneous fragrances. What I mean by this is that you can make your own potpourri. Potpourri? Potpourri? Um, the little good smelling sachets. Yes, that. Make those on your own if you can and put them in different places of your home. Stick it inside a drawer or a closet. Another one you can do if you use it, those smelling beads for the laundry. If you happen to use that already, you can put that in different places of your home as well. Please be careful for children. So if you want, do also put it in a little satchel bag. So be wary because that one does have a lot of chemicals, and God forbid if a child or pet gets to it, it could be detrimental. Another thing is that I like to do, I like to take bars of soap, like the Dove one, if I have it, particularly the pink one, put it in the linen closet. It smells so good. And bonus, all of your towels will have a nice little subtle smell. It smells so wonderful. So bury it in there under the towel. You won't even notice it, and it will smell so delicious. Okay, and finally, for the last and yummiest tip, I saved the best for last, and here it is. You're going to want to bake. This one is a must. It makes your home smell so yummy and delicious all of the time. You can bake anything from apple pies to cookies to even a cake, whatever it is, you can bake it. It's really super simple. A lot of the recipes are so easy to follow, and they make your home smell super yummy. And best of all, you have a nice little sweet treat for your family, even if it's just once a week. Be sure to bake something if you can. That way, your whole entire family is looking forward to a nice, beautiful, and sweet treat while you also provide beautiful smells for your home. Okay, so there you have it. Those are some ways to make your home smell amazing today. Share this video with your friends and family if you want their homes to smell amazing too. And if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. I have a lot of videos on homemaking, productivity, and positivity. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.